Good morning. Today is the 23rd day in the Advent season. Yesterday we talked about the fourth candle, which is also called the candle of love. If you think of love in the Bible, John tells us in his first letter, chapter 4, verse 8 and 16, that God is love. He also tells us in John 3:16 that God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, so that whoever believes in him can be saved. So, what is our response to this love that God sent into this world 2000 years ago to be a child, a babe who can grow up and die on the cross, shedding his blood and breaking his body for us so that we can be saved? Romans chapter 10 tells us this: the word is near you, in your mouth and in your heart. That is the word of faith that we proclaim, because if you confess with your mouth that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised him from the dead, you will be saved. So, how to be saved is very simple, that you confess and believe and you will be saved. You probably remember in Matthew chapter 1 and verse 21, when the angel visits Joseph, he tells him that name him Jesus, for he will save his people from sin. So that is what is fulfilled at Christmas, that God sent his Son so that we can be saved from sin. I hope during this Christmas season, on this 23rd day, that you will believe in Jesus Christ and be saved and be free from your guilt of sin. God bless you.